these conversations is we have some broad ideas, we have some paint strokes in the sky of conversation, but it goes slightly off in one direction and then comes back again, rather like Halley's Comet, and rather like the way the Aurora Borealis floats and flitters at this time of a particular year. Now, I was thinking, actually, getting all that stuff up there in the first place, and we all know that the cost per kilo to get payloads into orbit, whether by sled or by rocket, is tumbling. But are there perhaps alternative methods of actually dealing with this? Now, I have thought the idea of, well, ISAM, in-orbit service and manufacturing, is becoming a particularly important thing to discuss now. Is there a case to create the new ISS, the International Santa Station, where we'll see the production and manufacturing of Christmas gifts? Perhaps I could chuck that first one over to Stuart. We'll come to you first, Stuart, on this one. What are your thoughts?
Sure. I mean, I think it's a really good concept, especially carrying all the presents from the start is going to take a lot of fuel. I mean, as we've discussed, we don't know what his propulsion system is, but it's going to take a lot of reindeer to pull all those presents up. So if he had some sort of space station, way station, you know, dotted around the planet, he goes to Asia, he delivers the presents there, he goes back up, then he picks up another load, goes to Europe. You know, I think it would be good for saving on fuel. It's certainly a sensible way of doing it, and it means he doesn't have to take all that payload up straight away.
And Graham, in your capacity as Chief Crimbo Engineer, do you think this could be ultimately a better solution to, you referred to the damp cave, but to a better way of distributing and manufacturing?
Well, absolutely. I mean, there is going to be a need to do a lot of recycling of space debris. So if we can recycle those into Christmas presents, if we can capture in space and manufacture and recycle and send them back to Earth, there is no better circular economy, basically. So.
And that's our second hint of sustainability. I'm just loving the green festive cheer here. I'm sorry, we're coming through on line 3 this time. We have Ria Urban again. Ria, over to you.
So annoying that I always call in, isn't it? No, I was just thinking that space sustainability wise, what if Santa collected the space debris and used that instead of coal for the bad kids?
Wow, the bad kids could get a piece of highly irradiated, very sharp. So they'd probably cut themselves space debris. That would go down well, wouldn't it? Yeah.
That's not what I meant.
Well, especially if you throw it at them at 17,000 kilometers a second as well. That's yeah.
That's not what I meant.
The sentiment is great, but I think getting on line 16 now, the UK Space Agency, Health and Safety Department. Yes, we will bring you on later on to this call. Thank you very much indeed.